Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel. Yay, Bafetu. Please check out this video.
Hi! Sabapigil ako, Mr. and Mrs. Sabapigil! As Casey! Yeah! Yun! Ay ba! Kasi telephone! Minang ito yaki timu yangena. Upamlile na. Ha! Yeah! Ngisho ukuthi uyangena. Mina ngiyambona nakaglandela. Now scream, I thought just because we say duze. No, Yena, they came different.
Hi, Gabi, guys. Hi, Gabi. Okay, let's first start with the girl. Bafethu, akekho umuntu ongazi manje ukuthi when you walk in town, if you walking outside ejardini lakho, ifoni yakho awuyibambi nje, so bese the whole party yefoni athi ngimkhombe ifoni ayibambi, so yeah ayibambi kanjalo ifoni, awuyibambi. Ngihlala ngibatshela, even this other friend of mine, bonke bethi hayi kahle wena ngithi yekani ukuba amafoni kanjalo, akwenziwa kanjalo. Mina my phone got snatched twice. Ifoni bafethu kulula phela moyibambe so ifoni, because umuntu vele ayidonsa kuphi la phezulu nje clubs, kanti ifoni moyibambe so kanje akekho khona umuntu uyidonsa, unless sekuzoba ukuthi ke nizola you're going to tussle, you understand? Yeah, kanjalo ke ifoni uzothi kuzoba nzekani ukuthi ayibambe ifoni, but manje uzokhasa uqhweni bamba amafoni kanje nina bese mbase amafoni anzo phela nya ugela usizwe ukuthi ke someone took a video, camera, but video yalenja, you understand? Uzoba nenhlanhla nalokho, and lo this guy kumele kudilwe ngaye, and before nje aboshwe, before this guy even gets arrested. Hayi kahle nami Liquid Blue bangithathela ifone, I think it was 2021 or 2. I saw another guy speaking about indaba ukuthi bamthathele ifone, and lo mjida the way stupid ngakhona, ngicela nibuke nje ama evidence wakhe, this stupid fuck. Nami bangithathela ifoni uye lo, bagibela imoto esilver, ngangiqala nokwazi ukuthi mina nje khona into enje, bayithathe egoli bathi joops gone. This guy needs to be dealt with, and okunye, if this guy is on the run manje, kumele kuthole le ntombi yakhe or these people that he has been posting with, you understand? Kutholakale one of them, once watholakala one of them, awu uzama ukuthi ufisha ngeke ushelwe amanzi, uzama ukuthi ufisha ngeke ushelwe amanzi na aphela manje ula kwi Oceans 11 ula kumele abanjwe lo, akajwe allegedly akajwe futhi yebo nje ube boviso akajwe zazabe pale sikhathele bafethu, usebenza kanzima, ayikho into ebuhlungu nje ukuthi ulahlekelwe ifoni, usebenze kanzima. Yes, nokubhayiza siyabhayiza nathi, but ayikho into ebuhlungu futhi nenibhayiza kakhulu ngoba nisenza lento namanje, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengalokho. Mina even emsebenzini sengisaba ngisho ukubamba ifoni njani, ngize ngikhohlwe sometimes ukuthi hayi bese kubuya lento ithi hayi wena stupid, ifoni you can hold it, isinomi kanjani la, excuse me, la hayika akekho uzowenza lo doti, because uzowenza lo doti yaphela ijob. Thina sinama camera everywhere you go njengo MTN lapha ework. Understand? Khona nesithombe laba poste khona enanomfana lo ofet. Kuthiwa yes he's working with friends. Yes he's working with friends. Obvious. Angeke aza snatch ifoni agijima mfutho drive imoto. Noma ethi sakhuphuka idebhisi eyolanda ilentuzana, yolanda ifoni kaGen, imoto isayi-drive. Ame kancane nini. Ngiyame kancane ke. Lo bekumele nje abanjwe lo. Babo X mara bafethu. Babo X. Hayi guys, yazi abantu bamafoni vele guys bekudinga vele ukuthi betholakale. Bekudinga ukuthi betholakale. Kutholakale nalaba abathenga lamafoni laba bethi bathatha bewadayisa elsewhere. Yes, ama drugs akadiwe bafethu. And no commenting ama drugs, hey. Angifuni comment ama drugs. Sorry guys. Kuthi beniphazamisa business. But laba amafoni angifuni nje ukukhuluma kakhulu. Lo kumele abanjwe lo le stupid size sine Instagram. Ungadlala no Instagram wena full. Yo. Mela banjweke. Before nje abanjwe amaphoyisa, bekumele nje abanjwe nje umphakathi. Uthi ya, sikubambile bese siyamthathani siyamekisa. Inkinga nje bekumele yakhumula masakhula. Masakhula bese nokuthi makube senze into wrong. Bese uyabaleka ekhaya kini. Uthi mhlawumbe nigange emzini e100. Bese angahluphi umama wakho athi woza. Akuhambise house to house bedile nawe. Base kuyabhora nje. Yo man sayabhora. Ingaza manje ikhula nje ku-area bhora. Anisashawa nini. Yazi bekumnandi kanjani sisashawa kudala. Lo kodwa kumele abanjweke.